Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What's going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this new YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys this new sample pack I got and made, which is called the AT Placement Pack. This pack is meant for producers and beat makers to get placements, sell more beats, and use high quality samples as well as high quality melodies and loops. So in this video, I'm not going to go through everything. I'm just going to go through a select amount of melody samples as well as drum samples. It's currently up to like a gigabyte of samples over like 250 different files. It includes the stems of each melody loop. You guys can use these loops for your beats. You can sell them for leases, unlimited leases, sell them to artists for exclusive rights. You just got to know that if you ever are dealing with a major label or major artist that is signed to a major label, you have to contact us and let us know, because those situations are a little bit more complicated for exclusive rights. When it comes to leases, it doesn't really matter, but if you guys, end up getting a big placement, which is highly possible with one of these samples, just let us know. In the sample pack there will be an email with it. Now the thing is, with this the placement pack, there's only going to be 20 units available, and it will only be available for 2 weeks. If no one ends up buying them, I will still take off the sample pack. So I mean, you guys got 2 weeks to purchase the sample pack, and there's only 20 units available. After 20 units, it's gone. Non-negotiable. So we will, depending how this works out, we might continue doing this product line, but the next one will have different samples, different melody loops, etc, etc. So I'm gonna go through some of the melody loops first. Just gonna pick a select few. If you guys want to hear all the loops with tags, I'll also upload a YouTube video that plays through all the loops. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna drag these over, just play a little bit. So yeah, it's pretty fire. What about this one? So there's that one. So what else we got? This one's fire. More of like those R&B vibes. What's this one? Jump. fire. If you do like auto detect, it's 155 BPM. So if I do that, it's gonna re-stretch it. So, what else we got? I think you guys can make a lot of NBA Youngboy, Gunna, Lil TJ, Polo G, a lot of the newer acts with these beats. So it's, even if you don't get a major placement, I guarantee, damn near guarantee, that you're gonna get some beat sales or some placements, just off of the backbone that these, what we're giving you is high quality and very usable melody loops as well as drum samples. A lot of people kind of give you like not the best samples sometimes, or they give you like the B-sides. We're giving you everything that we would use or even do use in some of our beats. So and if you hear any clicking or pops, it's actually coming from my audio interface. There was a weird update and it screwed everything up, so I apologize for that. It's actually not in these samples, just to let you guys know. That one's more for a chopped up one, and if you speed it up, so like, and we get, as I said before, you get all the stems. So if you ever want to change something or just use one part of the melody, you can. Oh, what else we got in here? I mean, these samples are just so fire. This one's more like a OG Migos, sort of like Zaytoven type beat, melody. And it like changes up and has a different little progression. So I'm gonna go through some of the samples, just some like of the actual drum samples now, not all of them. That 808 is really good for making like Playboy Cardi, Pure Born type beats. That's 808-14 in the pack. We got some risers. I'll just this one's a pretty good one. So, and then here's some hats. pretty typical, but still new, unique, and more punchy, high-end frequency hats. And pretty much every single one I've used, I mean, almost all of those hats I use in some of the beats I have, and most of the beats get sales, so if not all. Here are some of the kicks. I love these kicks. They have more of a punch. Obviously, once you do a little bit more mixing, it even comes out a little bit more, but they're almost ready to go right when you grab them. I think 10, 5, 6, and 8 are like the ones I use the most. I'm just going to go through these percussions real quick. So, different little percussions, a lot of rims, a lot of other like more clicky based samples. Snares, we just got a couple. More of the trap bass snares, nothing old school bass or boom bap bass. More of the urban club type of snares, because it fits more of the aesthetic of the samples that we used for this placement pack. So I definitely believe that you guys would benefit greatly from using this pack. Once again, it's only available for 2 weeks, and there's only 20 units available. Like I said earlier, if no one buys it, then it goes off and no one can get it again. So you guys got 2 weeks. It is out right now. Just came out. It came out the date this video came out. So you guys got 2 weeks. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, you can contact me. So this is Andrew, Beat It AT, and I'll see you guys later.